I have dinner reservations and no one to go with.
Tonight, let's live it up. I got my money.
Hi, I'll be your wife's nurse.
Would you excuse me a second? Okay, I'm back.
Here we come, here we go. We gotta rock.
I know that we'll have a ball if we get down and go out and just lose it all. I feel stressed out, I wanna let it go. Let's go way out, taste. I'm losing all control.
Fill up my cup, Mazel tov. Look at her dancing, just take it up.
Peter, are you ready for your Valentine's gift?
No, but I'm ready for therapy.